Welcome to Glacier National Park, Montana, home to one of the clearest lakes in the world. Today, we're exploring Lake McDonald, famous for its crystal waters and colourful pebbles that look like gemstones. Crikey, mate. Have you ever seen a place so beautiful it makes your heart do a backflip? Well, get ready. I'm about to take you to a spot that'll do just that. Glacier National Park, Montana, Lake McDonald. This isn't just any lake. Imagine reaching into a giant's treasure chest, handfuls of brilliant gemstones, rubies, emeralds, sapphires, the whole lot. That's the shore. Water so clear you can see every coloured stone beneath. A river of jewels, a natural wonder, absolute beauty. When the sun hits the water, the whole scene lights up. Now let's talk about the sheer size of this beauty. Lake McDonald isn't some little pond, it's an absolute giant. This magnificent body of water is the biggest lake in all of Glacier National Park. It stretches out for a whopping 10 miles, that's about 16 kilometres long. And it gets deep too. We're talking over 470 feet deep in some spots. That's like stacking more than 30 crocodiles on top of each other from head to tail. It's a massive, sprawling lake that was carved out by forces of nature almost too powerful to imagine. Thousands and thousands of years ago, during the Ice Age, this whole area was covered in massive sheets of ice. These glaciers were like giant, slow-moving bulldozers, scraping and grinding their way through the mountains. It started to fill the massive hole the glaciers carved over centuries. And voila, Lake McDonald was born. When you dip your hand in that water, you're touching history, mate. All right, let's get to the main event. Those colourful rocks. Why are they so bright and beautiful? It's not magic, it's geology. These stones started out as layers of mud and silt at the bottom of an ancient sea. Red rocks, they've got a heap of iron. When that iron met air, it rusted. That rust makes the brilliant red colour. Greens, blues, different story. Iron formed in low oxygen conditions stays green or blue. Shallow air exposure leads to rusted reds. Each rock's colour tells its origin. Over millions of years, coloured mud was squashed into rock, broken up by glaciers, then tumbled smooth by water, becoming the pebbles we see today. Now, wildlife. Keep your eyes peeled. Look up, a majestic bald eagle soaring overhead. This lake is full of trout, perfect for eagles and ospreys. Along the shore, deer coming to drink, or a moose wading in the shallows, and if you're lucky, a grizzly bear or a black bear. Remember, these are wild animals. Keep a safe distance, never feed wildlife. So, you're ready to see this wonder for yourself? Good on ya! There are heaps of ways to have an adventure here. One of the best is to just go for a drive. The famous Going to the Sun Road runs right along the edge of the lake. Pull over at the lookout spots, get out and just soak it all in. If you want to get out on the water, you can take a boat tour on a classic wooden boat. A guide will tell you all about the history and geology of the area. Or rent a kayak or canoe and paddle out yourself. The silence and the views from the middle of the lake are just incredible. If you love a good walkabout, there are some fantastic hiking trails around the lake. The Apgar Lookout Trail gives you a stunning view from above. The Trail of the Cedars is an easy, beautiful walk through an ancient forest. Bring your camera. Best time for photos is early in the morning or late afternoon when the light is soft. The water creates perfect mirror reflections. When should you visit? Summer, from July to September, is prime time, but it's also the busiest, so book your accommodation way in advance. Spring is fantastic, fewer crowds and wildflowers. Autumn brings golden trees and stunning colour. Pack layers, bring a jumper and a raincoat. The weather in the mountains can change in the blink of an eye. Please, take only pictures, leave only footprints. Those beautiful coloured rocks belong to the lake. Let's leave them there for everyone to enjoy for generations to come. So get out there, have an adventure, and let the magic of Lake McDonald blow your mind. You will not be disappointed. It's a true blue American legend. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more true blue journeys. Cheers, mate.